Don't play with it, don't be the size.
Good morning. Hey Logan, what's good, what's poppin'? Welcome back to the channel. If this is first on my channel, welcome. Yeah, happy new year. This is January 1st 2024. Yeah, okay, 4. So I am coming to y'all a little busted with like 5 lashes on, but we down to business. Okay, we down to business. Good spirits, good vibes, good energy, and I hope that you guys have a great new year, or had a great new year. You know, everything's safe, everything's good. We're bringing in with some good positive vibes. So let's get into business. So if this is first on my channel, don't forget to like this video so I know you like videos like this, and subscribe to my channel if you're elevating, growing, and transforming into the person you want to become. So anyway, we are going to start this vlog off because I'll be moving in less than 30 days. No, less than 60 days. Sorry, excuse me, less than 60 days. And I have not packed or anything this house. That was a quick pan. So we're going to start this moving vlog, episode 1, part 1, whatever you want to call it, today. Okay, see how much we're getting moved, see how much we're getting together. I did start my day with some Starbucks. I ordered it online. Right now, and always been my favorite, is my caramel frap with almond milk, no whip, extra caramel drizzle. That's what I get all the time, been getting it for years. And right now I've been feeding it over the coffee cake. Don't know why, but I'm loving it. Don't ever eat coffee cake, but one time I tried it at some restaurant and I was like, actually tastes good. So I ordered it in Starbucks and I loved it. So that's what we're eating. I fed the dogs. Oh shoot, yes, I said dogs because I don't think you guys have met Dior, a new addition to the family. She's a fire sign, and baby, yes she is fiery. Dior, tell the people hello. Okay, look, tell the people hello. Say hi, I'm Dior. Okay, so yeah, Dior has been fed. Prince is out here doing his thing. You guys seen Prince, he does his own thing. Dior is my road dog. She be about it, okay? We the only fire signs up in here. We are about to get the packing, get the organizing. I've done my morning routine, prayed, meditate, read, devotion, everything. So I get my life together. So we're gonna bring this new year with some bang, some love. We want this whole moving process to be smooth. I have a lot to do today. I don't think I will show you guys all of that because I want this to be mainly about the move. So the possibility you might see it, but may not be. So let's get right into organizing and figuring out. First of all, I gotta get this tree down. This tree is up here, ever so cute, ever so pretty. Has to be taken down. First things first, everything that's in this room will not be in this room. Some of these things will be given away, but I gotta get to the process, and I need to take the stuff down off this wall that I put up here too. So it's just things that we want to get done in this room. So we about to get started. It is 10:37 in the morning, and we're gonna utilize this day to the fullest, be productive, and get to it. So let's get to taking the Christmas stuff down. Okay. I had these since I was a kid, y'all. This was like an ornament since I was little. My mother kept them and they're so cute. I literally broke one this Christmas. I'm so pissed about it, but It'll be on my hair for the rest of the year. Last time I put heat on my hair was probably July, since I had to push time with myself, y'all. We got the boxes out. Anyways, good. So now we're about to sit here and hold on. Okay. Ooh, this tripod is really pushing it. But anyway, got the boxes out. Now we're about to, I'm watching Kennedy. I love Kennedy. And so I'm watching her. I'm about to start taking these boxes out of this thing that I got from IKEA. I'm gonna take the boxes, take these out of here, the books, and I'm gonna take the legs off. I think it'll be easy to just take the legs off so the legs don't break or they mess up, and flip it to the side, put the books in the box, and that's what we're gonna do. And then we're gonna try to figure out the rest of the stuff of donation and trash. So let's get to it. I'm reusing boxes, so this is why I'm writing on it and crossing stuff out. I got some boxes from my best friend, so reusing boxes, recycling is a must. These are so heavy now, so I'm afraid to put them in the box and then somebody take them up the stairs. Front door mat. But we gotta do what we gotta do. So we also got some pillow covers instead of just buying. So I'm going through my books like I said earlier. Guess what I found? My old yearbook. Middle school yearbook. Wow, look at all the notes people wrote. Y'all see that? Like, oh my god, hold on. Girl, I always spoke my mind in high school. I'm like rereading some of these things. Like this one was like, I haven't spoken to you a lot, but when I have, it was always worthwhile. I will miss you. Stay rude. And then the other one is, hey Lorraine, have a nice time in high school. Stay pretty with your little attitude. Have fun with your life. It was always, you're rude. They talk about, hey, to Lorraine, you know what? You know you want me, but I'll take it. Look, next time, P.S. Oh my God, stare at your ass. Oh my God. They cute, smart, and special. Just don't let those chicken head bitches get to you. Girl, they knew I was ready to tussle a hoe. Golly, I don't remember what class I was in. I think 810. Let's see if I was in the class. See if I, oh, yep. 810. Look at me. Look at me. Oh my God. It is crazy. Still fine. And like literally, this is my middle school right here. Somebody drew it, but this is literally my middle school. Souza. But yeah. And guess what other book I found? If you know, you know. If you from the 80s to 90s, you're a 90s baby, 80s baby, late 80s, 90s, you know about this book. This book was breaking the internet, okay? But I still got my copy and I'll read it. And this shit is dusty, okay? Dusty. But I'ma still read it. Still part of the repertoire, okay? I need to keep this a little closer. I think this is old, but this might be a good book you guys might want to pick up. The Digest Guide to Eating Out. Might need to keep this in my car. So look at this one. This is for IHOP. This is IHOP. It tells you what happens when you create your own omelet. All the different menus on here. On what you should eat that's healthy. So, you know, it says, fun fact, skip the egg substitute and go for whole eggs or white eggs. They don't just have fake ingredients and are filled with fat and released protein. Note, okay? So, babes, yeah. Might need to keep this in the car or in the kitchen. I have so many books, it's ridiculous. I didn't finish this book, started it, didn't finish it, didn't even start this one. I like the sex, drugs, and cash books. I like that. Like drama. These are my dictionaries. I have so many dictionaries, it's ridiculous. But it's a lot of stuff in here, a lot of design books, and design books are heavy. So we're gonna pray about it and put the rest of these books in this box. Alright, I think I'm gonna put these books on the side. That might be the best option. I think. I don't even know. It might be better if I put it on the side. It might be better. So we're gonna try that. In this box. And keep it pushing. Y'all, if y'all into crystals and like to learn more about it, girl, don't sleep on Five Below. Five Below be having the books, okay? This, okay? Okay, y'all, I lost the nail in the process. Yeah, that's a quick update for you. Hey guys, so I'm back looking the same, but we got some progress going. Let me show you guys. If you guys can see, in this little corner right here, I started taking down the wall stuff. I said I'm gonna take the rest of it down some other time, but I got that little corner done. I just want to see how easy it was gonna be to take it off and whatnot. But I got all the boxes down. Let's see if I can show y'all. So I got all the boxes down. I got the heavy duty boxes. All this is gonna be Goodwill, regular puppy pads, my workout stuff. This will be decor that's gonna go into the box. All my plant stuff, I'll be throwing that out. I emptied out pretty much my little desk area, got rid of some stuff, upgraded my vision board for 2024. I'm gonna just take this down. I know this is already ripping off the wall. I tried to take it down before. That's gonna be trash, but like I said, I already got this little part done, and it seemed like it's gonna be super simple. So that's just the end of that, and this is nothing but right here. So once I get that done, it should be finished. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. I hope that I can get all this done in a decent time. I'm not gonna overdo myself. I'm not gonna stress myself. Right now I'm trying to get these last little few lashes off my eyes. I hate taking lashes off. Love putting them on, but taking them off is annoying is what. So I'm hoping to get these lashes off, and I'm hoping to film my hair. Honestly, I don't feel like doing anything to my hair. I don't feel like doing anything. I feel like I've been doing a lot, but we are going to see how this works out, and we're going to see how this time flows, because I don't want to rush myself, and I still want to be able to enjoy my New Year's to some extent. And nothing's really open. I might just make me a cocktail, but this is my vision board for 2024. A little glimpse of that, but yeah, that's what that is. So I do hope you guys do enjoy this part. So far so good of the video. Yeah, and I did put some stuff for sale, so I hope that I can get some of these things sold so that I don't have to keep them or move with them, because I hate to do that. If I could just get rid of them, let's just get rid of them, you know. So yeah, if you guys are interested in seeing the rest of this moving vlog, then guys, make sure you are subscribed to the channel. Like I said, make sure you hit this the like button so I know you like videos like this, and let's get into this move, babe. 2024, new area, new vibes, new energy, and yeah, that's what it's about. So yeah, I'll check in with you guys later.